Hey everyone, we have very important news that you need to be aware of that Google just announced this week about local service ads. Starting in June, you need to make sure that you accept the new Google LSA policies, otherwise your LSAs will turn off. Those policies are not inconsequential, and it's very important that you understand what will happen as of the implementation of these new policies. Google really broke it down into a few key things. First off, they are going to be now placing LSAs beyond just the search results. They've mentioned the Google ecosystem, so your LSAs could show up in Gmail, they could show up in YouTube, they could show up anywhere in Google's ecosystem. We don't know where yet because we haven't seen those show up, but rest assured, Google is trying to monetize local service ads because of the incredible impact that they have had on service-based local businesses. Being a law firm, it's probably important that you understand that this could have vast implications to your cost per lead, your cost per case, and the quality of cases that you may be getting from local service ads. Currently, local service ads are keyword-based, so you will search for something on the search results, and then based on the categories that you have selected within your local service ads, Google will selectively choose which LSAs to show up. Now, by showing the local service ads elsewhere in Google's ecosystem, we really don't know what is going to trigger the local service ads. The next point that is very important for you to be aware of, especially as a law firm, is that Google has said that they are going to use your website content, elements of your local service ads, and your LSA messages and phone calls in order to enrich your local service ad profile and in other uses that they may use within their ecosystem. We don't know what this means other than the fact that your potential clients' phone calls are going to be listened to by Google, likely by machine learning, to determine what is happening on those phone calls. Maybe it's sentiment analysis, maybe it's identifying the types of calls that you're getting, maybe it's trying to identify keywords. We really don't know, but as a lawyer, you need to make the conscious decision as to whether or not you want to continue running local service ads once these new changes go into effect. We don't know exactly when they're going to start doing these types of activities, but rest assured, by them announcing it this week and giving you 45 days to opt in, this is happening very soon. Another item that you need to be aware of is that Google is no longer keeping the same stringent requirements around your local service ad photos. Those of you who have local service ads currently running are probably well aware of the denials of photos that you've been submitting. If the headshot is not exactly perfect, it's been denied. No longer. Beginning May 22nd, Google has said that some of the following restrictions, like off-topic, wrong watermark, phone number, email address, street address, out of focus, bad lighting, screenshots, duplicate images, will no longer be considered part of the local service ad photo requirements. This means that photos that you may have uploaded previously may wind up getting shown on your local service ad. If you have any questions about how this could potentially impact your law firm or what you need to do, please reach out to us. Happy to discuss it further. The reality is, we don't know until we see this actually get implemented over the next few weeks. Thanks again for watching. Subscribe, like this video for more updates here from CAMG. I'm John Robinson.